Hey YouTube, it's Milo and ECP out on ECP Farms, and we just came out to the farm to feed the cows, and the lovely wife on ECP Farms opened the feed building here. We're getting ready to feed the cows, and we had a mama bird that has a nest up in this bucket that we had thrown up here up top of these tires, and 3 new baby birds have been born on ECP Farms, and they're cuties. Mama came in through some of the cracks there. We now have 3 new baby birds, 1, 2, 3 that we can see, that are in the feed building, learning to fly. Try not to scare them too much, and are now the newest residents of ECP Farms. So thought it'd be a quick little YouTube video for the new baby birds. So anyways, nice shout out to Wildlife on YouTube here for some new baby birds on ECP Farms. So from ECP, from ECP's wife, from the 3 new baby birds, and Milo. See the birds, Milo? A quick hello and how are you? Have a great weekend and have a great Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. ECP from ECP Farms, over and out.